Hi guys, so for today's vlog, we're going to Pinamasagan Beach in San Fernando, Camarines Sur. And kung mapapansin nyo, naglalakad kami kasi nga di na kinaya ng motor. And naawa na din kami sa motor, kaya we decide to walk. So ito nga po pala si Kuya Nico, and yung kasama ko si Kuya Wayne na hindi pinayagan ng kanyang ama. So napakahirap guys ng aming journey. So guys, this is our first time here in San Fernando, Pinamasagan Beach, and we don't know the scenery there. And yes, so idea lang namin dun guys sa beach na yun is wala pa raw, kumbaga hindi pa napupunta ng maraming tao. So we are here to introduce you guys kung maganda ba rito sa Pinamasagan Beach. Mahirap guys yung daan dito. So pero kung makita nyo naman yung resulta ng beach, so mamaya, di kasi namin alam kung ano ba, gaano ba kaganda yung beach. And kung makikita lang nyo yung sitwasyon namin rito, napakahirap maglakad kasi almost 45 degrees yung inclination ng road dito. So kaya nahirapan yung motor kasi tatlo kaming nakaangkas sa motor. That's why we decide to walk. So makikita nyo sa likod ko guys, oh. So napakahirap talaga guys maglakad. Though ginagawa ko to para sa inyo and para din sa amin to explore more beach and falls. Sobrang nakakahingal guys yung. So I suggest guys, kung pupunta kayo rito nakakotse or di kasi namin alam kung may habal-habal ba papunta rito. So I hope guys, kung sakaling sisikat tong lugar na to, siguro magkakaroon na ng habal-habal dito, pero siguro mahal yung pamasahe kasi napakahirap ng daan. And yes, so hindi pa kasi namin napupuntahan, so paulit-ulit. And kasi guys, di namin alam kung gaano pa kalayo itong lalakarin namin. So sana guys, worth it naman yung pagod namin na makapunta dun sa Pinamasagan Beach. And siguro guys, kaya siya tinawag na Pinamasagan kasi nga dahil sa lugar. So mostly naman guys ng mga tourist spot is pinapangalan sa lugar. Like Kinahulugan Falls sa Partido area, Barangay Kinahulugan. O para mga ganun na rin. So yung past vlog ko, yung Bungkaw Falls na tinatawag na Shower Falls. So parang yung mga lugar na, kumbaga yung mga tourist destination guys, so pinapangalan na lang sa lugar para mas madaling mapuntahan. Nakakahingal.
A few moments later.
So finally, we're here at Pinamasagan. So yes, we are here at Pinamasagan Beach Resort ng San Fernando, Camarines Sur. So unang sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa government ng San Fernando sa kala mo tigil na, no? So guys, pinakamaganda rito, libre lang po yung lugar, wala po kayong babayaran. So kung gusto nyo po ng libre lang, gusto nyo ng libreng swimming, punta po kayo rito sa Pinamasagan Beach Resort. And yan, so yan. So mahirap lang po yung daan papunta rito. So yun nga, napakahirap. And kung sakali man napupunta kayo rito, much better na gamitin nyo yung mga sasakyan nyo. Kung motor naman, isa lang dapat na back ride. Kasi nga kami hinahirapan yung motor kasi tatlo kami dun sa isang motor lang. So, yung resulta noon is naglakad po kaming dalawa at silang dalawa. Palit-palitan po kami na nag-drive. Ito pong beach na to, hindi po buhangin, hindi po white sand beach, kundi white pebbles with matching black pebbles. It's a mix of pebbles that you will find only here in South China Sea.
Gago!
Arayon, ano. So ito guys, lugar na to is napakalinis pa dito ng tubig. And so yung pangit lang kasi dito guys, ang daming basura na kumakalat dito. So sana po tinatawagan ko po ang LGU San Fernando na linisan po, mag-clean up drive po dito sa Pinamasagan Beach Resort. Para naman po mapanatili nating malinis. Sayang po nung dagat, napakalinis pa, pero po yung dalampasigan, napakarami pong dumi. And sana po panatiliin po natin ang lugar natin ay malinis. Panatiliin po natin ang kalinisan sa ating kalikasan. Sabi nga po niyan, take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time. And yes, so our next step, so our mission for today, to find pantuhog and to find uling. And kasamaan ko ngayon, Ute, the doctor.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a
The doctor Ute. And the bikers, whoop whoop, Kuya Wayne.
impossible, it's not probable, you're responsible.
And the Kuya Nico, the owner of Motorist.
For you to tell me what to do, I don't give a damn if you say
The Motorist. And the vloggerist, here, Kuya Mek Madayan.
opinions in all these positions, they come in millions, they
Kasalukuyan pong naglalakad po kami papuntang tindahan ni Aling Tita. So
mas lalo po
I
kami
think,
napalayo sa
yes,
dinaanan namin.
kasi nga dito tayo dadaan. Kukunin natin yung motor. Yung susi ba, dala nyo? Hindi. O hindi. So, babalik tayo ron para kunin yung susi. And doon na tayo tataas para kunin yung motor. Nakuha mo ba? Yes. Oh, so dito na tayo kasi nandito na yun.
Naman duman.
Yes. Hey, baby. We have something to ask you. Where the charcoal here? Oh, what is that? Is that a puto? Oh, how much for that one? Do you have call? Rebayan ko na lang. Try ko lang. Oh, I'm trying this puto from delicacies of San Fernando and homemade by Pugun made, and
Mainit pa po.
it's too fucking hot, so
May bakal din uring.
yeah,
Meron dyan ano?
where we can find charcoal.
Uling. Oh my god.
Oh, it tastes bukid, you know. So it's libre na lang.
Kabarayan yung dabi tapos anak na nila kaming ano, oring. Magduman ka namin kung naman si motor. Duman sa bag, may 20 duman.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Where's the key?
Out my bag.
Duman sa wallet kung kakabandod.
And what is your name, baby? Hey, I'm talking to you. Why are you shy? Sarap pa daw, Bi? Wait, dagdagan man ko kano mong kwarta! Wayne!
Wala ka, unta na.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
So guys, our mission is failed. Dahil wala po kaming nakuhang uling dito. Kasi nga, bawal yung pag-uuling. It's an illegal, you know. Dahil po dito, pinagbibenta raw po kasi dito is bultuhan, hindi po yung tingi-tingi. So, pabalik po kami ng dagat para po mag-swimming na. And bigyan ko na lang po kayo ng magandang montage video.
I never saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time, I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up, I don't want you, it's time for you to go.
So guys, maraming salamat.
Napakaalat.
So guys, na-experience na namin yung Panimasagan Beach Resort dito sa San Fernando, Camarines Sur. And yes, tapos na po kami and bye-bye na po guys. And kung bago kayo dito sa aking channel, please subscribe Madayan. And don't forget to hit the like and share. And click the bell notification para ma-updates kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp, make it